You can transpose data using a formula. Now, if we do equals transpose, and then we were to go to say HR data, and we select our data that we want to transpose. If we close the brackets and hit enter, you see it's now inverted it and transposed it. Now you might have seen here that these dates for employees joining dates didn't transfer across in the format. So what we could do here is we could then hit Ctrl 1 and apply our date formatting, for example, and see that, or we could apply that via using the top bar and selecting, say, the long day as an example.